Hey, this is Pritham and you are watching Tectonic 360. In this video, I am unboxing the Huawei speaker AM08, also commonly known as Swan speaker due to its swan-like unique design. The Huawei speaker adopts 360-degree sound technology and the sound quality is more real and natural, that is easy to operate and support dual tone selection for Bluetooth hands-free calling. Design is swan-like and looks so charming. Placed anywhere, it is an elegant decoration. 360-degree HD surround sound, it relies on its Cambridge Silicon radio, also known as CSR BT 4.0 chip that gives stable performance, strong compatibility, low power consumption, and long transmission distance of 10 meters. High definition microphone built-in intelligent noise reduction technology for clear, pure, and realistic call. The top uses a capacitive touchable panel for volume and the track change that makes it really convenient to operate. Let's pair it and hear the actual output from the speaker.
Oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. Oh, when you call me, señorita, always a good pretend.
I'm really sorry that I cannot play songs longer duration for copyright issues.
I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not, cause the drinks bring
To be splash proof, but I will suggest you not to try this out.
girl, you know I want your love.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl.
So this was it from my end. Hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.